Coin daily combo. I'm going to be giving you the secret code to 4 other combo for today, which is 1 2 3 4. Then I'll also put the link to a website where you can find the link to all other video codes that have been before now and the one after this. So let's start by clicking on this. I'll click on start mission, watch, then I'll click on back, and I will do that for these 4 on this part. Then as usual, I have to come back here after 3 to 4 minutes to post the video code. So I'll just click on this and I'll add back. So after 3 to 4 minutes, I'll come back here and supply the codes to these ones so that you can claim the rewards. Then you can find the link to the other ones in the video description. Begin to post the answers to this particular video. For this that says N on airdrop, the answer to this one is tender mint. So let's click on submit, and you can see it's marked as done. So we click on finish mission, then we claim our rewards. So we head back to another one, which is Bitcoin integration, and the answer to that is this will be available on the screen, so you can just type and input the code. So I'll click on submit, and you see it says done, and I'll click on finish mission, then claim my rewards. Claim my rewards. Then the third one is make 10 times on crypto. The code to that is this, and this. So this is the code. I'll click on submit and finish mission, claim my rewards. All right, let's take the last one, which is dark side of crypto. So for dark side of crypto, the answer to that is this. I've copied that on my keyboard to make it easier for me. So it's the code you can see on the screen. So just click on submit and click on finish mission and click on claim rewards. Then by the time I head back to this section, you see that we have more of these coming up again. So the code to all of these has been made available in the video description. Just click on the link in the video description and copy and paste all of the answers for you. So that will save you a lot of time looking for the codes every day. So I'll update the website day to day to include the new codes for new videos. Alright, so if you find this very helpful, please like and share with your friends, and do have a wonderful day.